Today you will be using hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is abbreviated HCl, and it's a very dangerous material. Your acid today will be called 2 molar. That is a measure of its concentration. Here I have 1 molar, 2 molar, 3 molar. They're all HCl, all hydrochloric acid, but the 1 molar has been diluted more than the 2 molar, which has been diluted more than the 3 molar. So they're watered down. The original acid that I start with comes in this very large bottle here. That's 12 molar. So I start with the 12 molar, add varying quantities of water to make the 1, 2, and 3 molar, which are much safer for your use. The instructions ask you to pipette. So this is a pipette, the dilute hydrochloric acid into a graduated cylinder. When you're using a pipette, there's a bulb at the top. You squeeze it and you can suck up the liquid, and I can easily transfer to my graduated cylinder in a very controlled manner. Don't be afraid that the pipette will spill. Nothing will come out until you squeeze the bulb. Please allow each person at your table to get experience in this skill. When you're done with your pipette, it's appropriate to rinse it. This is just some tap water. I rinse the pipette and then I put it back. You'll be using your ring stand for the first time in this lab. The ring is adjustable. It can be raised or lowered. The purpose of the ring is to act as a support. Today you'll be supporting an evaporating dish on the ring stand. You'll be using a Bunsen burner to heat the contents of the dish. This distance between the burner and the dish is too large. The heating will be very inefficient. Take the dish off the ring and lower the ring until the distance is much smaller. This will enable you to heat your dish very efficiently over the Bunsen burner. You may find it easier to start your burner out here. Adjust the flame as needed and then move it over to heat your dish. It's pretty hard to start the burner here. There's not enough space to do it well. You can see there is a red glow here. That means you have a nice hot fire. That's a good sign. When you're done heating, you'll turn off the fire. The dish is hot, so you cannot pick it up with your fingers, but you should be able to use tongs. Securely grip the rim of the bowl. Make sure it's secure. If you're not sure, try again. And then you can take the dish off the hot ring stand. The tabletops themselves are heat resistant, so you should be able to rest your bowl safely on the tabletop. You should not weigh your bowl when it's blazing hot. A blazing hot dish can create air currents which affect the readings of the scale. So let your dish cool a little bit before you weigh it. Magnesium strips are located at the buffet table. Open the jar, take 1 strip, leave the jar at the table. Magnesium strips can be weighed directly on the scale. No need to use weighing paper. Just put the magnesium directly on the balance.